Hey guys, Dave here. Welcome to Computer Hobbyists. C#11 has a new feature called string literals, so I just want to show that to you guys. We'll start doing a regular string. This string here, it has some line breaks in it. Essentially, print first line and a space, or excuse me, first line goes to the next line, prints second line after one space, and then goes to the next line, prints two spaces, and then puts third line, goes to the next line and prints three spaces, which is fourth line. So let's run it and let me show you what this regular string is doing. So let's go down here to the terminal. There it is, first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. Well, there's an easier way to do it. It's with string literals. So string, we'll call it literal string, equals, and then you use three quotations, 1, 2, 3. And line it back up there. If my screen looks different to you than what you're used to with Visual Studio, it's because I'm using Visual Studio for Mac. Alright, so then for this one here, we'll have a space at the top, and do first line, second line, third line, and fourth line. All right, let's run it and see. Oops, we gotta tell it to print it actually, or write it to the screen. System.console.write line, and this one's called literal string. All right, let's run it and see if we did it right. So let's go to the terminal. Yeah, there it is. So it did the same thing as this confused looking line here with something that looks a little bit more normal. This reminds me of in HTML, where you can just put in the text with whatever the way it is, and it just prints it as it is. So let's do something else with this. Let's have a variable. Let's go string channel name equals computer hobbyists. All right. String literal string 1 equals now we do. So we have two $signs there because we're going to be using a variable. Oops, let me do something different here. For some reason, it's not wanting to print that. So let's do this normally, and then we will add in the $signs. This looks like a Visual Studio for Mac issue. I'll show you what I mean. All right, so two $signs. All right, now it went in. The name of this YouTube channel is, and then two brackets on each side, and we put channel name in there. And go down here. String literals are easy, huh? All right, so let's try and print literal string 1 to the screen now, or to the console rather. All right, let's run it. See if we did it right. All right, the name of this YouTube channel is Computer Hobbyist. String literals are easy, huh? And it's got all the other stuff above it. And one last thing, you can use a switch statement in here too, which is kind of cool. String literal string 3 equals Oops, be nice if I spelled it right. We got to put a $sign there. My test score. Oops, let's put the score in up here first, actually. Int score equals 95. My test score of score is an $sign score switch oops, this is supposed to be a bracket here. Oh wait, I see what's going on. I accidentally put this inside the string literal. There we go. All right, then we got score switch, and we go down here. Greater than 90 is, it's actually using a little bit of link here. A great greater than 80 is B great, or good rather. Greater than 70 is satisfactory, or C satisfactory rather. Greater than 60, you didn't study enough for this one, that's why you got 60. For that one you get a D, which is below average. And last one, we got a default one, underscore. That one gives you an F if you got below a 60, which is a fail. This should be over here. There we go. All right, so this one, called it literal string 3. All right, let's try it out, see if it worked. Nice. Oops, I accidentally, this is wrong here. This is supposed to be is, not is service provider. All right, let's try that again. All right, there we are. Nice, nice, nice. My test score of 95 is an A, which is great. So there you go. I mean, this should come in handy at least sometime in your programming career, these string literals. Just wanted to show you this because it's new with C# 11. Thanks for watching and have a good evening.